Looking to build the ultimate gritty stylized back alley scene? Say hello to Bearworks 3D's latest creation, the Urban Alleyway Pack, your next go-to for modular cartoonish city assets that pack in detail and flexibility. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today I'm excited to showcase you this Urban Alleyway Pack, a stylized modular environment kit designed for urban explorers, indie devs, and stylized storytellers. This pack includes a rich collection of urban props and modular pieces, stylized walls, garage doors, windows, fencing, rooftop details like pipes and wires, lampposts, balconies, staircases, graffiti decals, and even smaller props such as trash bags, tires, and brooms for that lived-in detail. With over 100 unique meshes and 7 prefab buildings, this is your plug-and-play solution to building dynamic city alleyways. The standard version includes a full build Blender asset library, Unreal Engine project with lighting and material, GLB, FBX, and high-res PNG texture files. Every asset is stylized, game-ready, and hand-painted with 2048 PBR textures. You can expect clean topology and optimized meshes that slide seamlessly into your workflows. The deluxe version adds a pre-built Blender lighting setup and the 3D Shooter Compositor Blendcraft, our exclusive add-on for fast, polished post-processing. If you want quick renders with cinematic quality, Deluxe is the way to go. This pack was created by Bearworks 3D as part of our Starving Artist campaign, a 3D tutor initiative that shares 50% of the revenue directly with independent artists. You may remember Bearworks 3D from our recent Rooftop Asset Pack, packed with props and modular items for detailed rooftop environments. With the Urban Alleyway Pack, he takes his craft back to earth, literally, with gritty street props and modular buildings, perfect for downtown street scenes. By purchasing this pack, you're not just getting top-tier assets, you're supporting an independent artist and fueling more creative work to come. If you end up using this pack, we'd love to see what you make. Join our 3D Tutor Discord, home to nearly 1,000 artists, devs, and stylized scene lovers. We share projects, give feedback, and run giveaways for exclusive packs and tools. Bearworks 3D, Neil, and the rest of the 3D Tutor team are here, and we can't wait to welcome you in. Thanks again for supporting this pack and the Starving Artist campaign. Until next time, happy modeling everyone!